God should forgive you for making you an elder. Ofosu Ampofo claim to Ghanaians say, "Omo ba bemu NDC Jenny, and mine own Omo junior munti this time Omo be junior mo from day." Ofosu Ampofo na mo junior Ghana for whom you guys collapsed over 88 microfinance people. You didn't pay one person a peso. You cared about the Ghanaian business person. Ofosu Ampofo, you guys open microfinance companies for your girlfriends, for your wives and your children, and duped Ghanaian people. God is love, DKN. You cared about Ghanaians, but you did this and took this from Ghanaians. Shameless people. Ofosu Ampofo, your government cared about Ghana. Yet, your own flagship program of me, Mahama, I want to do free education, but before I want to build all the houses or all the classroom blocks. 200 schools. You cared about Ghana. You collected government of Ghana money. The 200, you couldn't even finish 50 before you left office. The 200, you couldn't even finish 30 before you left office. The 200, you couldn't even finish 10 completely and equip them before you left office. Yet, the money that was meant for that project, Ofosu Ampofo, your wicked, no contribution, chop, baller so pete attitude, chop the money without completing it. Ofosu Ampofo, you cared about Ghana? NDC ba bemu amoje in Ghana ho. And now you say, Ofosu Ampofo ye kwa wakura ase anka say ufria. And kwada bebre na wama ma minimum to mean yes can your school fees. And to yamma wo school fees no, all your na yet to know. Yam for be my young bomb at the Yama Colebi and DDB. Yam function school fees. What by Digina we say yam penny at the Yanko Supreme Court. You cared about Ghana. Ofosu Ampofo, you cared about Ghana, as you are saying. Yet, you of all people, now sometimes they give you the mic to talk. Such a wicked imposter. Such a wicked evil man calling himself an elder. A real kidnapper. Real life kidnapper. Ofosu Ampofo, your government cared about Ghanaians. Yet, when the time came for us to even cancel the power purchase agreement, that was costing us $584 million every year. We are cutting it and paying $170 million. What's it there be? We should keep paying the $584 million as against $170 million. Ofosu Ampofo, your government cared about Ghana. Your government cared about Ghana. Yet, your president told the poor nursing trainee, the poor teacher trainee, say, na allowance there, say, nothing or better to abetia or uncle to abentia. You said you think about Ghanaians. Kidnapper Ofosu Ampofo, you cared about Ghanaians, yet you came into power. Couldn't manage the economic updates of Ghanaians. You took us to IMF and you cared about Ghanaians. Ofosu Ampofo, you cared about Ghanaians, yet your vice president's wife was able to look at teachers in their eyes to tell them, say, yeah, mom, we talk in there, mom, we talk in China. You cared about Ghana. You guys have always been about your stomach. NDC, you have always been about your stomach. And like I said, some of us, we will not sit. You understand? Some of us, we are not going to sit. Because I have come to notice, say, yan sorry waka, na sa criminal full way, yan tiomo and free wa. Ghana, ye hobetri. Ofosu Ampofo say, a fade omo between omo. Into we Ghana nina wini NDC. So be ankwati NDC for card. Because that is the only way, if Mahama win power, you can be successful in Ghana. Because the top hierarchy, and you know the sad thing about that video, Chairman Drew him say, now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, now our meeting, I say.
Oh, yes.
Did you know that?
Oh, yeah. No one nodding a head, cry.
Oh, no, not in Finfi, no, me boy.
Yeah, I mean, was no one nodding a head, sir. He was loving what he was saying.
You, Chairman, you. Papa no one ne handless ne nkasa because he say we jama as a desperation it to hwe papa wo pe president asen abedi wa be born
enye say uti social media so wo abontene ana say wo aburuchire o kan kofo ho asem se wate ase nti ono no mema sa bodam ni ne so akufo ado ne birthday ebia ne birthday ne kura obedi na America nti ye twen no ne expose no but ohun say wode ne busuafo na eto boteta ode omon na eden ede ayewi nti yeso ye twen no oye bad a yeso ye bad nti Ghana ni bia a wo fi say won twen sa abato so a won ko selai won obeto aba no oye bema akufo ado Jubilee House wo ho obetima abasambulo aye cool and I say ubetima attack presidency so what I say no hu say Ghana no ye wo mra na ye wo mema so what I say nti ye twen nipa boni bia wo say wo susu say wo ye bema adeden so what I say Kevin Taylor mo ye no hu say wo ye bema uhufo wo ye bema sende wo America kase bebre no obetima atwa ticket oniska kwa mema ni sika no atwa ticket aba Ghana so what I say oba Ghana ni suit a court warrant wanted aya declare no eno me yini nyina tufom so what I say me ankasa me pese me nchi no ne me hwe no te say send the ehwe akora pam no ko school no akora boni dwane free school ba o che wo ba no atwe no sa na me pese me hwe no so what I say
security man dey money abotre kra o any
so
no mo a
me hwe na ba me twene chi hwe o mo say tam de wo obuasi tutuka no utie o mo say obuasi tutuka no o ko repair akora bi o ko ne girlfriend bi a o pege no girl nti ase no o ko repair girl no o mo say boys no eno kura na ema odwane free obuasi no o mo burote o mo say Kevin Taylor o say me nkwala no boasi boys no o mo say hwe we o say wuni eya what radio so kasa o say NDC for kura eyo o mo nim say we criminal we Kevin Taylor tutu bottom ni we na o kasa amanfo adinechi nti me dey me kan say o ye bema akufo ado ba America wonsi no wonsi fre sa broni se wa bodam ni no mo be tena America akufo ado ba no mo evidence bia o mo wa o mo yingu ho so what I say sa na okofa Salis Asem no abogu mfaso bia ni o Salis say ne papa wu ye wantima amba nti Kevin Taylor bra na yen hwewachi na yen jawo nyesa o papa no o ka bebi a mimi hu ne papa no wa ye like father junkie bisa so let me piso ni papa bi a ye kwa hwe na atene no ba mi ko hu papa no ma hu se papa no ekomko na ebekunu nti Kevin Taylor to hold di mpeinfo atema mo mfa ncha no ne papa ambopra ono so kontwinseni ba omu nyina junkie lie medima masse